Hey, new house.
Yeah, alrighty.
How's the bed?
Great.
Well, I hope you enjoy it. This is our place for a while. Hey, dude,
You want to take sound needs?
I don't know, man. That thing looks special. Like
Special, whatever.
Dude, I think it means something in this house. You might want to put it back up. I don't know.
Shut up, man.
Dude, it just makes me feel better.
Just take the other room. Hey, you want to get drinks?
Yeah. Okay. I guess I'm just kind of paranoid moving into a different house.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
I don't want that feeling.
you take the camera. I'll get the drinks. What do you want?
Just give me a milk.
All right.
Yep.
Warm or cold?
Warm with a little bit of sugar.
All right. Sounds good, bro. All right. Since we're on the vent a little bit, I'll shut the light off.
Yeah, peace.
I'll be right back.
Home dog. What the hell? Bill, it's not funny, man. Gotta turn that on. Wait. What the hell? Bill. Bill, what the hell? No. Bill, no. I lifted it up. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please. Oh. Bill. Bill, come on, no.